My first topic of interest here is how climate change will impact precipitation levels in the Midwest state of North Dakota. North Dakota is threatened to experience increased flooding on the plains if average annual precipitation continues to increase over the coming century. North Dakota's landscape makes it very vulnerable to excessive rainfall as it is very flat with lots of plains. In fact, it's the third flattest state in America, with the Red River Valley being the largest flat plain. However, the Red River watershed's river flows during the worst flood of the year, has been increasing about 10% per decade since the 1920s. With a landscape such as this, excessive rainfall has no place to go, causing excessive flooding and the potential destruction of their crops. In the coming century, environmental factors will make a great impact on the plains of North Dakota. North Dakota is around the 45-degree north latitudinal line, and according to the IPCC 2014 report, quote, most land areas north of 45 degrees north exhibit likely or very likely increases in mean annual precipitation in the late 21st century period, end quote. Therefore, North Dakota will have to deal with the positive and negative factors of increasing rainfall and warming temperature. They will have longer growing seasons and better opportunities for the growth of specific crops, but they will also deal with more pests and weeds, excessively wet soil, and increased severity of drought in hotter and drier summers. Power failures due to severe weather will majorly impact communities and their members, largely in less populated areas where resources are limited and far apart. Also, farmers in the state may struggle with excessive rainfall, as it can cause damage to their crops and ruin their soil. As of yet, no formal propositions have been made or announced regarding plans to help limit the effects of increased precipitation in the plains of North Dakota.